Want to learn how to make an easy, solid handle for most of your props? Well, keep watching. All you're gonna need for this is some poster board or some thin cardboard from like a cereal box, and some thicker cardboard and some hot glue. First, I'm gonna pick the size I want the handle to be. In this case, 10 inches long, 1 inch width, and the other side, half an inch of width. I'm gonna leave an extra line to connect the handle piece together. Before I cut it out, I like to trace a line from the scissors just to make it easier to fold. Now we just fold those sides, just like this, into the shape of the handle. For this size of handle, I find it best that 4 pieces of that thicker cardboard to work best. What I like to do before gluing is to flatten out those cardboard pieces first. Now use your hot glue and glue the pieces together in pairs. If you're gonna use a stick in the middle, just like I normally do, try not to use too much hot glue in that middle part so the stick can just run through, or just glue the stick beforehand. Now we're gonna use those cardboard pieces to fill in the handle. Make sure that you got both sides that are an inch and glue them carefully. Now just glue all the sides. If you're going to insert the stick now, find the middle and carefully place your stick. And there you go. Now you have a good, solid handle for your prop.